Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Today we are going to do the problem from exercise 1 from the chapter Factors and Multiples. First question, find the first 10 multiples of each of the following pairs of numbers, then list the common multiples. Here for the given two numbers, we are going to find the first 10 multiples. After that, we have to find out the common multiples. How will you find the multiples of 4? Multiples of 4, we will by multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, we will get the multiples. Now we are going to first find the first 10 multiples. So 4, 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Here these are the first 10 multiples of 4. Now we have to find the first 10 multiples of 5. Here 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Now we have to find out the common multiples. Okay, which are common? 20 here, 20, 20. 20 is common. After that here 40, 40. No other common multiples. So common multiples of 4 and 5 is equal to 20 and 40. Was it clear? The next one, 2 and 6. First we have to write the multiples of 2. So which are the multiples? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. Then multiples of 6. Here 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Now we have to find out the common multiples. Here 6 is there, 6 and 12, then 18. These are the common multiples of 2 and 6. Is equal to 6, 12 and 18. Is it clear, children? The next two numbers 3 and 5. First we have to write the multiples of 3. Which are the multiples? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Now we have to write the multiples of 5. Here multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Now we have to find out the common multiples. Here which are common? 15, here then 30. 15 and 30 are common multiples. So common multiples of 3 and 5 is equal to 15 and 30. Was it clear, children? The next question, find the factors of each of the following pairs of numbers, then list the common factors. Here we are going to find the factors. Factors means what? A number which divides the given number without leaving a remainder. That is, the remainder should be 0. Then the divisor is called factor. Okay, now we are going to find the factors of 18 and 6. Then we are going to list out the common factors. So, factors of 18. Here, 1 is the factor of every number. Here, 18 is an even number. So, it is divisible by 2. So, 2 is a factor. Then, here 1 plus 8, 9. The sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So, the given number is also divisible by 3. So, 3 is a factor. Then, here 18 is not divisible by 4. 18 is not divisible by 5. Then, 6. The number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, it is divisible by 6. Then, it is not divisible by 7. It is not divisible by 8. Then, it is divisible by 9. After that, 18. So, these are the factors of 18. Okay, now we are going to write the factors of 6. Okay, so the first factor is 1, then 6 is an even number, so 2 is a factor. Then in 6 is divisible by 3, so 3 is a factor. After that, it is not divisible by 4 and 5, then 6 is the next factor. So 1 and the number itself is a factor of every number. For every number, 1 and the number itself is a factor. Okay. So, now we are going to find the common factors. Common factors of 18 and 6. Which are the common factors? Here 1 and 2, here 3 and 6. So, 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the common factors of 18 and 6. Okay. The next numbers 14 and 21. First we are going to find the factors of 14. The first factor is 1. Then 14 is an even number. So, 2 is a factor. 14 is not divisible by 3, divisible by 4 and divisible by 5. Then the next factor is 7, after that 14. Okay, these are the factors of 14. Now, factors of 21. Here, 1 is the first factor. 21 is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Then 3 is a factor. It is not divisible by 4, 5 and it is divisible by 7 and 21. So, these are the factors of 21. Now, we have to find the common factors. Common factors of 14 and 21. Here 1 and 7. Only 2 factors are there. So, 1 and 7 are the common factors of 14 and 21. Then next 2 numbers 4 and 5. Now, we have to find the factors of 4. Factors of 4, the first factor is 1, then 4 is an even number 2. So, 2 is a factor, 4 is not divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 4. Then factors of 5. Here the first factor is 1, it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3 and 4. Then it is divisible by 5. Here 5, for 5, 1 and 5 are the only 2 common factors. 2 factors. Okay. If the number has only 2 factors like that, 1 and the number itself, the number is called prime number. Okay. So, 5 is a prime number. Okay. Now, common factors of 4 and 5. Here we are having only one factor. Okay. So, that is common factor of 4 and 5 is only 1. Is it? So, common factors of 4 and 5 is 1 alone. Is it clear, children? Okay, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.